Today's quick video tutorial is on Minerva, our online catalog where you can search for books and check to see if they are available at either WCCC library or at one of the many other libraries in Maine that belong to Minerva. We provide interlibrary loan services, so you're able to request books or CDs and videos from any of these libraries, and the material will be delivered to WCCC where you can then arrange to pick up the books. The barcode at the back of your student ID is also your library patron barcode, but in order to use Minerva we need to activate your library account, so if you don't already have one, contact us and we will create one for you. On the Library Resources page of the WCCC website, begin by clicking on Minerva. You will notice that the default is all Minerva locations. You can select whichever library you want. So for now, I'm going to select Washington County Community College. Then you type in, if you know the title of the book, you can look for the title or the author's name following this last comma first. So if the author is, say, Stephen King, you would put King, comma, and then Stephen. For now, I'm just going to type in the word mushroom. So you will see that there are 23 results. So at WCCC alone, we have 23 available books or online books as well. So you can see the status here. If it's online, some of it you'll be able to access, but we will do that in another tutorial. What we're looking for now are the printed books, and you will see WCCC Careless Stacks. That means we have it in our library and it's showing available. As you can see, for some it might show missing, or some of them might have been in processing. Sometimes it's a new book that's come in. So we want to look at something that's available, and so that you'll be able to request a copy of it if you like. So what you do is click on the title, and then you click request and enter your name and the patron barcode that I was telling you about. It's the 14-digit barcode at the back of your student ID, and then when you hit submit, you will get a confirmation that you have requested the book, and when it comes in you will be notified and you can collect the book at the library. So let's go back, and you can also search other libraries. So for example, if it was not available, either maybe it was missing or it's due on a certain date, which means somebody else has already borrowed it, you can scroll down here and search all Minerva locations. Remember, we had 23 results for WCCC. So when you search all Minerva locations, we now have 307 results. And as you can see, there are different titles here that you might be interested in. Some are juvenile fiction, so more for children. So say you're interested in this one, Mystery on Mushroom Island. It's available at Baileyville Library at the youth section. So we'll click on this title. There are actually two libraries available. Yep, two here. So same thing, you hit request and then type in your name and your patron barcode number, hit submit, and it's requested from other libraries, and whichever one is available and they process it first, you will get it from that library. Now if both here were not available, you can continue to search Maine Cat, which includes more libraries. See, there are other libraries here, another one that was not in the Minerva. So for this one, you hit the request this item over here, and it's slightly different. You have to choose, this is very important, to choose your home library. So here we have to choose Washington County Community College, submit the information, and then you put in your name and the library barcode. This is important because if you hit the wrong library, then it won't come to WCCC, or you might not even be able to put in the request. Sometimes let's take a word like, say, autism. Say I'm doing a research paper on autism, and then I'm going to search only at WCCC to see what's available. And just at WCCC, we see 324 results, but you will see a lot are online. Because we do have ebook central, which is the titles are also reflected in Minerva. So let's say you want a physical copy of the book, so you don't want to look at all the online copies. What you can do is to modify your search, and then under the material type, just scroll down and choose printed material, and here you got to just hit enter, and then you'll see that now it's limited to printed material, and instead of the few hundred titles, now we have 14 results. So you can look at these books, and then same thing, these are available for you to borrow. This one is in transit, which means someone has requested it. So then again, if you want this book, same thing, you just hit on the title, go ahead and request, and continue by putting in your name and the patron barcode. Now if the library is open, right now it's closed due to COVID, if it's open you could just come in and tell us which book you want, or you can look for it on the stacks. The call number is right here and you'll be able to find it.